Welcome, and we're working on the proportionality theorem. It's if a parallel to one side of a triangle intersects the other's two sides, then it divides those sides proportionality. Basically, the key thing is that you don't have to have it parallel to the base of the triangle, as it's shown on my example here. It can be parallel to one of the sides. It doesn't have to be a mid-segment, so this MN does not have to be directly in the middle. And this is often called the side-splitting theorem, since obviously we're just taking the sides and splitting them into proportions here. As you can see from the definition, if MN is parallel to AC, the two red lines are parallel, then we basically created a proportion. BM, which I'll circle here, is this side, is proportionally to MA, which is this side. Then they're going to be equivalent to BN, which is this side, to NC, which is this side. And as you can see from the picture there, it basically all makes a proportion. So as an example from the first problem, you're just going to set up a proportion to solve for x. So what I'm going to do here is just take 10 over 5 equals 7 over x. And once I have a proportion like this, I can just simply cross multiply and solve as an algebra problem. 10x equals 35. X equals 35 over 10. Or if you simplify this down, 7 over 2. Or if you want to make it as a decimal, 3.5. Now, they may give you some problems where they're giving you the full segment. They're giving you the full side of this. So now, how do you approach this side? Something that you should just kind of take note of, whenever they give you the full segment, you just have to find the full segment of the other side. This is going to be 45. Now make a proportion out of this. And basically what I'm going to do is base it off of the total sides here. So I'm going to say 50 over 45. I did the total of DG over the total of EG equals X over 20. I basically just did this side over this side. Now, once you cross multiply and solve, you end up with 45x equals 1,000. Divide by 45, and you get 200 over 9, or approximately 22.2. Repeating. Thank you. Done.